The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is making waves in the global market, setting new pre-booking records in India and South Korea. In its first week, the series garnered an impressive 1.2 million pre-orders in South Korea, surpassing the Galaxy S23's record of approximately 1.09 million pre-orders from the previous year. This surge in interest suggests that the Galaxy S24 series could be the first flagship since the Galaxy S10 in 2019 to exceed 30 million sales by the end of the year. In South Korea, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is particularly popular, accounting for over 60% of pre-orders. This popularity is attributed to its advanced artificial intelligence features, drawing customers to stores for a first-hand experience. Despite this success, the Galaxy S24 series faces the challenge of beating the Galaxy Note 10's record of nearly 1.4 million pre-orders set in 2019. In India, the Galaxy S24 series has outdone all previous models, with over 250,000 bookings since January 18, making it the most successful Galaxy S series launch in the country. In comparison, the Galaxy S23 took 3 weeks to reach the same number of pre-bookings, which the S24 series achieved in just 3 days. Ru Pulin, Senior Vice President at Samsung India MX Business, remarked on this achievement, highlighting Indian consumers' enthusiasm for embracing new technology. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, consider subscribing to the channel for more updates. Let me know your thoughts on the Galaxy S24 series in the comments. See you in the next video. Peace out.